Very good evening, all. So, intro about class and about your mentors, and quick intro about the syllabus that we are going to discuss. Since today is our first class of the trademark e-filing practitioner course, and since the most of the students are new to this batch, so first of all, give you the intro about the course. Course name is Trademark e-filing practitioner course. We will learn about the two things in this course. That will be the first of all the legal aspects on the various sections and the filings and the forms also. And the second thing that we will mostly learn is about the practical scenario, where we will learn about the how to register on the trademark website and get it trademark registered through various process. Now, talking about your mentors, my name is Gaurav Kumar. I'm a trademark practitioner professional, and I'm practicing in trademark since 2012. Okay. I file lot of trademarks and get it registered successfully, and I will teach you the legal aspects, then registration on the how do you register on the trademark portal, and then how to file a trademark, and then filing the various other forms like the corrections, examinations report, and the objection report, submission of the evidences, and attending the hearing. So I will be with you throughout this course, and what we are going to take out from this course, let me discuss first. So a detailed course curriculum. First of all, you will learn about the basic understandings that what is trademark and this type of trademark. You all must heard about the trademark, so you must know what is the legality of a trademark and what kind of the trademarks are in. And then secondly, we will learn about the all the portal that we are going to use to beginning of a search to file a trademark. Understanding of about four portal of a trademark that is used before the registration and during the registration also. Next, we will learn about the how to search and availability of the trademark, whether it is available for the registration or not, and then what is the status of that trademark and the meaning of the status, various status, like the it is either in the formality check pass, whether it is in the objection, opposition. So all the things that will be know about after the application will be that tracking an application to the tracking application website. Okay. And the next thing that we will also learn is how to prepare the application for an individual case and how to prepare the application in the other case, like the person who is running in any kind of business, trust, or society. The next thing that we will learn about the filing of the trademark opposition. So if you have filed any trademark and that has been published in the journal, and after that, if some other party has filed an opposition, then how you will read that opposition, and then after reading that opposition, you need to prepare your counter statement. So how you will prepare that counter statement, their opening paragraph, their middle paragraph, and the closure in the praying paragraph. So these will be learning in this module. Okay, so this will be a completely legal plus practical class where you will learning all these things. And after successful completion of this course, you will be learning all the aspects on the trademark and their different portal. You will be able to file a new trademark, do modification, file objections, and to a reply and examination report, and to file an opposition or prepare a counter reply and attending a hearing also. So it will be complete trademark practitioner things. And I'm sure that after completion of the 15 to 16 classes, you will be learning all these things. Okay, now let us start. Now, first of all, the things that you need to know for the class, since you are taking the class of trademark learning of the trademark practicals. So the government have given us a website which is called ipindia.gov.in. So this is a website of Office of the Controller General of Patent, Design and the Trademark. Okay, because it's a matter of intellectual property. All the three is a matter of the intellectual property, the patent, design, and the trademark. And our current class is that is trademark. So the portal is ipindia.gov.in. And that once you open this portal, you will find that there are the three tabs. One is the patent, one is for the patent, second one is for the design, and third one is for the trademark. Other one is the RG, NIPM, let's just leave it. in the third segment, you will see the trademark. It's a trademark. When you click on this trademark, you will move into this window where you will get four tab, which says that first one is the comprehensive e-filing services for the trademark. Second is for the public search. Third one is the for the trademark status, and fourth one is the World Intellectual Property Organization, that is WIPO. Now, the important link that has been given in this portal is here, that is in this tab, trademark. Here in the related link, you will find 4 to 5 links. First one is the comprehensive e-filing. This is the site where we need to prepare the application and do all the online related filing. Okay. So to access this site, you should have the user ID and password. Second website is the public search. So before applying a trademark, we need to search the trademark on the basis of either it is word mark, vowel code, or the phonetic sound. Okay. And on the basis of start with, contents, and the match with, we generally search whether this trademark that we are going to apply, is it registered or not, or it has a chance of getting registration or not. Okay. And we can also prepare the search report from this search tab to send it our client. That this is the trademark that you want an application to apply, and these are the trademark that we are similar to this trademark. Okay, your application. Third portal that the ministry has given is once the application has been filed, application status will be checked and everything about the application will be available here. Okay. So it is related to your application number, related to your status, any kind of opposition, objection, anything that has been uploaded on this application, and any communication that has been between the either it is your proprietor to trademark office, and also opposition matter, position to the trademark office, and the trademark office to you. So all the things that will be given in this trademark status portal. Okay. Now the fourth portal that is given here is the classification of goods and services. So when we apply for a trademark, we need to provide the goods and service descriptions, and this goods and service descriptions should be presented in this TM class. So it is not like that you can write anything in your goods and description class under the trademark. So your description should be presented in India in this tab, and your description should be there in the search terms and their related classes. So you always, before writing any description in your trademark application, you need to check it here and then selecting the respective description that is available under the trademark classes. Okay. So these are the mostly 4 websites that we use when we work on the trademark. Next one is the website of European Union IPO and the WIPO website. And the last one is the trademark legal certificate. So any kind of the legal certificate that you require from the trademark office, you use this website. This website generally works very slow, and it takes times to get load also and to work also. So these are all the mainly 4 websites that we are going to explore and learn each and everything that is given in this website, mostly related to the trademark application. Okay. So you need to be very handy with this website. You need to visit each and every options of this website, and always explore the website at your end so that you could get the real knowledge of the portal. Okay. Now, so you can write down the URL also, or you can make it bookmark also, that for the filing of the trademark. The website is ipindia.gov.in/trademark-e-filing/user/formlogin.aspx. For the search, tmsearch.ipindia.gov.in/tm public search. Okay. For the e-register, tmsearch.ipindia.gov.in/e-register/ or for the classification assistant, euipo.europa.eu-ec2 again, slash. So these are the 4 websites which you can bookmark it under your portal. Here I can make it bookmark another folder. No, I will write trademark. This is trademark website. This trademark again, this website is also marked. This website is also marked. This website. Now, so the next thing is that I'm going to take some first 2 or 3 sessions on the legal aspects. Okay. And once our legal aspects has been covered, so I will take you on the practical aspects. Okay. So in the legal aspects, I have a PPT. Before that, just give you the login scenario for how the login works. So this is the trademark login of a attorney. So this is the dashboard of a login of attorney. Mr. Rohit Kumar is attorney. This is the attorney code. Once you log in, it will show you the view all notification that has been communicated to you by the department. And here, this is the form TM. So through this TMA application, the application, we generally apply the trademark. Okay. Now, let us move to our understanding of the trademark. Now, the first thing is that what is trademark? All about trademark. Okay. So it is an introduction. So whenever we think of a product, we automatically pictures the brand name and its provider. We even remember the iconic jingles, logos, and the color combination of the packaging of the product. These signs, symbols, logos, and jingles that give an identity to a product are referred to as its trademark. So, what is trademark? So, any kind of things that we visualize, just by visualizing the things, we get to know what is the brand and who are the producer of that brand, who are the owner of that brand. So it is basically what is it's give a picture about the either name, it gives you picture about either a name or it's a identity also. So a trademark is basically a sign, a symbol, a logos, or a jingle. Anything that could be a trademark. So a sign could be also a trademark, a symbol could be also a trademark, a logo could be also a trademark, a jingle could be a trademark, or even a name could also be a trademark. Now, so if we go into the deep understandings about the Trademark Act and the rules and regulations. So what is trademarks? It is a mark that efficiently help us to identify, it helps you to identify a product by distinguish it from the other goods and services belonging to the same class. It helps to identify the product when there is a competition in the market. As per the section 2ZB of the Trademark Act 1999, a trademark means a mark capable of graphical presentation and which is capable of distinguish the goods and services owned by one person from those of the others in the market and include the shape of goods, the combination of colors, and their packaging. The primary function of the trademark is to stand out from the other brand belonging to the same class of goods and services, and hence a mark that is distinctive is the best kind of trademark. If you go into this definition, you will find the 2 or 3 important things. That in the first line itself, it is written that it is a mark. It is a mark that efficiently help us to identify a product by distinguish it from the other. So your mark should be as like that. It should be distinguished from the other goods or services belonging to the same class. So it means that if a person is dealing under the class 3, that is the medical substances, if the person the same name, same trade name or the same trademark is dealing in the other type of goods or services, then these are the 2 trademarks and that can be separately registered also, or with the same trademark can be registered under the 2 different class. Okay. Now, it helps to identify the product when there is a competition in the market. So, what the trademark basically gives you, the trademark provide a clear distinctness between the two products under the same class, and it helps you to fight the competition also. Okay. Now, as per the section 2, subsection ZB of the Trademark Act, the trademark means a mark capable. This is a very important point. A mark capable of graphical presentation, that could be a device also, and which is capable of the distinguish of goods and services owned by the one person from the other person in the market. Okay. And what kind of it be? It could be a shape of goods. It's a combination of color also. It's a combination of their packaging also. It's combination of their name also. Okay. Now, what the registered trademark give you? A registered trademark give a protection for the symbol, a protection for a symbol, a protection for a word, a protection of a phrase, protection of a design, protection of a logo, or the combination of all of them. Okay. So if a trademark has been registered, so it protect you as a symbolic also, it protect you from the word, as a word also, it protect as a phrase also, it protect you as a design also, it protect as a logo also, or it protect you as a combination of all of them. It gives an identity of a product that represent a source of a goods or services. A trademark in India is protected under the Trademark Act 1999 and the common law. As per the Trademark Act, it is not mandatory to register your trademark. Okay? The Trademark Act is not says that every trademark or a brand name or a logo should be registered. So it is your protection, it is your goods, or it is your brand name, and it is your right to protect it before someone steal that brand and make a use of it. So as per the Trademark Act, it is not mandatory to register a trademark. However, a trademark once registered shall provide legal rights and protections to its owner for 10 years. So it means that whenever you file an application, so after getting your trademark registered, it is valid for the 10 year, and after 10 year again you need to renew that trademark by paying the requisite fees. Okay. And such period shall be extended upon the renewal. The benefit of the trademark include ease to market, creating a distinct identity, and being a source identifier. Any query from this slide? Understanding of trademark?
No, sir.
Now, in the second slide, there are two type of basically trademark. The two type of mark. First one is the product mark, and second one is the service mark. Okay. So whenever we apply a trademark for the any kind of product, then we take it as a product mark. And when we are a service provider, and registering a trademark for that service, in that case, it is a service mark. Like if you say about the Lux, Pepsi, Sony, these are the product manufacturers. Okay. So they register under the class that is 1 to 34. And it is registered under the product mark, and it's known as the product mark. And like Go Mechanic, Urban Clap, Urban Pro, okay, these are the service provider. Okay, so they are known as the service mark, and service mark is classified between class 35 to class 45. So if any person tell you about to register a business name, okay, they are not related to any kind of product, and they are not related to kind of the service also. So this should be registered under the business name, that is business class, that is class 35. Now, a trademark type of trademark means is product mark. It is a mark used for the product or goods, but not on the services. Product mark is used to identify the provider, the reputation, and the origin of the product. Product mark basically, but a product mark identify the provider, the reputation of the brand, and the origin of the product. Application for a trademark filed under the class 1 to class 34, the fourth schedule of the trademark rule 2002 comes under product mark classification. Okay. So if you go to the classification of goods, you will find that you will find that there are the 34, 1 to 34 classes are given for the different class of goods and different class of category. Now the service mark, it is similar to a product mark, but it is especially used to identify a service and not a product. Application for a trademark file under the class 35 to class 44 is known as the service mark. The fourth schedule of the Trademark Act rules 2002 provide the service mark. So whenever we apply the other three types of the logo, basically we used when we apply for a trademark and when it get it registered. Generally, R sign is means that a trademark is been registered in India and it is a registered trademark. So whenever we apply a trademark and when we get the registration certificate, we generally after the trademark after the trade name or the logo, we generally put the right hand side right corner R with the circle.
तो एजेंट के लिए सर जो एग्जाम रहती है वो कोई भी एग्जाम के लिए ये कर सकता है, अप्लाई कर सकता है?
नहीं, के लिए क्वालिफिकेशन है, ग्रेजुएट होना चाहिए.
ओके सर.
चलो फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलते हैं. ठीक है.
यस.
थैंक्स सर.
गुड नाइट टू ऑल.
सर एक क्वेरी और थी सर. मान लो किसी को अटर्नी चेंज करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा?
फॉर्म फाइल करना पड़ेगा TMA में.
वो बताएंगे सर अभी आप क्लास में आगे? ठीक, थैंक यू.